ngo washo wakutabulye wahukwanira konomerari na ndutu naho ikombe nawe mutabulye omulobori naho kanire ne kumoyo kwase mokari kwa hukanata
it's hard
oba kumoyo kwa hukanire desamwe naho simata naho me ngukana tali hambo
okay like washibone you guy because choka guy you're funny.
Is it your business?
I know you're understanding me. Honestly speaking, Kale, like here I'm being very frank, like you see issues of the heart, like
what is all this?
You know love. I know you're understanding me, but honestly, okay now like okay, seldomly, although hardly had
whoever gave you this idea it's not a good idea.
I don't know whether you're getting me.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Okay, now let me be very open. Honestly,
hold it.
Shut up, that's an insult.
Okay.
It's not okay.
Call I'm a shy person. Okay, like
Just in case you have plans. Hey.
not that Oba, for you're not handsome. Okay, you're handsome. But this is what I'm saying. Hardly had. Hey, what can I say? But I hope you understood me.
You are a foolish man.
Shina chesi integerere washibone ku malembo kaye bashenyi natabulye ku point wotandi humpolela.
Okay, like
Please.
Nuka no bana holoni ukulomende are no funombe namba yesimu ke ngupireho fani hana na hutwiro li bize nabi ke hubenga hutiana.
oh, which one? Which number? Because what can I tell you? Obasi no sesi nyana ubolela kale like open a Mukhotso. Okay, you said you needed my number.
Hey! Nga urungurani so muntu luibale.
Who cares?
Nana hwitsa hulia bando ita imaruhuo.
You are a foolish man.